Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, transformed technology and the way we live. In this video, we will explore the incredible journey of this visionary who changed the world of computing, music, and communication. Steve Jobs was born in 1955 in San Francisco. His biological parents gave him up for adoption. He was adopted by Paul and Clara Jobs. As a child, Steve developed an early interest in electronics. He grew up in Silicon Valley, where he was surrounded by technology. In high school, Steve met Steve Wozniak, who shared his passion for computers. Steve attended Reed College in 1972, but dropped out after one semester. He stayed on campus to attend the calligraphy classes, which inspired his love for design. This interest in fonts and style later influenced the look of Apple products. After leaving college, Steve Jobs went on a spiritual journey. In 1974, he traveled to India seeking enlightenment and studying Buddhism. His emphasis on simplicity and minimalism in Apple's design can be traced back to these spiritual experiences. In 1976, Steve and Wozniak started Apple in Steve's parents' garage. Their first product, the Apple I, was sold to computer hobbyists. In 1977, they launched the Apple II, which became a huge success. In 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh, the first mass-market personal computer with a graphical user interface. This innovation made computing accessible to millions of people around the world. In 1985, Steve was forced out of Apple after a disagreement with the board. Instead of giving up, he founded a new company called Next. Next didn't succeed commercially, but its technology later became vital for Apple. Steve purchased Pixar in 1986 for $10 million. In 1995, Pixar released Toy Story, the first ever fully computer animated film. Toy Story was a huge success, making Pixar a leading animation studio. In 1997, Apple was struggling and brought Steve back as CEO. Steve launched the product that would change the world. In 1998, the colorful iMac. In 2001, the iPod, which changed how people listen to music. In 2007, the iPhone, which revolutionized the mobile phones and how we live. The iPhone transformed industry from communication to gaming. In 2004, Steve was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. Even though his health was failing, Steve continued to work and innovate. He introduced the iPad in 2010, a device that changed the way people use tablets. In 2011, Steve resigned as Apple CEO shortly before his death on October 5, 2011. He left a legacy that continues to shape our world today, from technology to entertainment. His influence is still felt every day, and his story will continue to inspire future generations also. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories.